Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best rowing machines on the market, the Stamina ATS Air Rower 1402. If you're looking to elevate your home gym setup with a versatile piece of equipment, stick around because this rower might just be what you need. The Stamina ATS Air Rower 1402 is designed to provide a full-body workout experience right from the comfort of your home. It's equipped with dynamic air resistance, which means the harder you row, the more resistance you'll feel, making it ideal for users of all fitness levels. Unlike traditional rowers, this machine adjusts its resistance based on your rowing intensity, offering a smooth and challenging workout. Whether you're focusing on strength training or cardio, the Stamina ATS Air Rower 1402 delivers. It targets major muscle groups and helps in toning your body effectively. Featuring an extra-wide, cushioned seat, large footplates, and textured hand grips, this rower ensures comfort during long workout sessions. It's built to last with a sturdy frame and anti-skid end caps for stability. Rowing is known for boosting cardiovascular health and stimulating metabolism, aiding in fat burning and overall fitness improvement. From gentle rowing for recovery days to intense sessions for endurance building, this rower offers a range of workout possibilities. Connect your workouts with the Move app for guided coaching, personalized routines, and exercise demonstrations, enhancing your fitness journey. To sum it up, if you're looking for a reliable, effective, and versatile rowing machine for your home gym, the Stamina ATS Air Rower 1402 is a top contender. With its dynamic air resistance, comfortable design, and smart workout app integration, it's designed to support your fitness goals and help you achieve a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching today's review on the Stamina ATS Air Rower 1402. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and fitness tips. Stay tuned, and until next time, keep rowing towards your fitness goals.